What's good, y'all? It's your girl Lauren Jenae, back again with another video. I'm just trying to get up with you, with you, with you. I'm just trying to get up with you. So today's video is going to be an experience. Obviously I look raggedy by the head, but that is on purpose. I am going in search of all of the supplies that I need to attempt to do knotless braids. So part one is probably just going to be my experience going to find different beauty supply stores and do my shopping for the knotless braids. And then part two will probably be an actual video of me doing the knotless braids. I'm really nervous about doing these. Like, I know how to braid my hair. God, I look raggedy by the head. Bruh. I know how to braid my hair. Like, just my hair by itself. I've never actually tried doing like box braids or anything on myself, so this is going to be a interesting experience. I'm hoping that I can knock it out. Today's Monday. I don't have to go back to work until Thursday, so I'm hoping that I can knock them out by Thursday, but we'll see. But yeah, today, Monday, I am going to different beauty supply stores. Sorry, this is a completely different room than y'all are used to me filming in. This is my living room. One day I'm gonna give y'all a house tour. But yeah, so I looked up one beauty supply store online, and they are allowing like online orders and then curbside pickup. So I put some stuff in my cart for that, just in case when I go to the beauty supply store out here by my house, they're closed. So first I'm going to try the beauty supply store out here by my house. If that doesn't work, I'm going to go to this other beauty supply store where I have everything in the cart. And then there's one more beauty supply store because I've told y'all before, I use Jenae natural hair products when I'm doing like my wash day and everything, and it obviously is wash day for me. So I ran out of my caramel treatment. If you guys, oh, by the way, if you want to see my wash day routine, I will link that video below in the description box. But for my Jenae natural hair products, it's only one beauty supply store I know out here in Chicago that sells it. So I'm gonna go to that beauty supply store. I think that beauty supply store said they do call-in orders and then you can do curbside pickup, so I'm gonna give that a shot. So come on, Domino's, everybody, let's go. No, I'm about to get this started. If you want to see how my experience goes trying to find a freaking beauty supply store in the middle of quarantine, keep on watching. All right, so I am at stop number 1 and it's open. The beauty supply store out here by my house is open, so I'm about to get as many supplies as I can get for these knotless braids from here. And then after that, I'm still going to have to drive out west to go and get the caramel treatment for my hair. This beauty supply store is open and I don't have to go to the farther one that I was talking about in the first part of this video. So about to go and get my shop on. I'll show y'all all the products and everything that I get once I get back home, so you guys can see what I am using to do these, well, to attempt these knotless braids. So I'll come back to you guys. So another update, I'm out here, but the beauty supply store is open, but only for ordering from outside. So I'm hoping that I got the right hair. I asked him for the ombre hair that I'm looking for, but if they don't have it, they're just gonna bring me some regular hair. So we'll see. As you can see, my hair is a mess right now. But I am at my mom's house, about to have her part the back of my hair so I can try and do some knotless braids on myself. So that's why my hair is a mess. So if you want to see my process of how I do my knotless braids for the very first time, keep on watching. Hopefully I don't look terrible because I'm a little nervous, but we're about to get this process started. I will be back. Guys, so I am back. I have the front part of my hair sectioned off, and then you can't see the back right now, but my mom parted the back part of my hair for me so that I can make the smaller section. So that is all taken care of. These are the products I'm using. I have my rat tail comb. I have my mirror so that I can see the back of my head. I have the Free Twist Clean Therapy. It's pre-rinsed and it is pre-stretched. I bought 4 packs of this, so we're gonna see how many packs it takes me to finish my hair. I have some double prong clips so that when I part my hair, I have the smaller parts sectioned off with these double prong clips. And then I have the Style Factor Edge Booster, which a lot of people were recommending on YouTube when I looked up how to do these. So I'm gonna give it a shot with that. I'm gonna go ahead and try and do a couple of braids. I want to be able to listen to music while I'm doing my hair, and I can't do that because I'm filming on my phone and my laptop is downstairs. So I'll come back to you guys with my progress. I just wanted to show you guys that I had my hair sectioned off already before I start braiding. Like, my braiding hair is sectioned off literally all over my bathroom, so that way I already have these little sections to make the big braids. So I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. Say hi. So sorry guys, I am just giving you a quick update. I've done about half of my head now. I have the front half to do still. This is what they're looking like. Overall, it's been very like trial and error, I'll say. My last row I don't like as much as I like this row here. Like, this row turned out really, really nicely. But that last row was rough, really rough. But it's a learning process for me. I don't know if I'll ever do it again, to be honest. Like, granted, it was like, the hair was only like, I think $4.99 a pack, maybe $5.99. But I only spent $20-something on this hair. So it's cheaper than me going and getting the hair and then paying somebody else to do my hair. So that's the advantage. And the other advantage is, like, usually when I get my hair done, I feel bad about taking it down too soon. And if I end up hating these after like a week or two, I have no problem with taking these down because I did them myself, and I probably will have enough hair left over where I can do it again too. So, you know, it has its advantages and disadvantages. It's not the best, but it's also not the worst. I've never braided my hair before with adding in like synthetic hair. So that was a challenge in itself. Then trying to make them as knotless as possible. It was really, really hard. It was kind of a struggle. But I'm making do. That's all that matters. I'm obviously not going to give y'all a tutorial because who am I to give a tutorial on something that is not perfect? I was going to give up at first. Like, honest to God, I was finna give up. And it made me break nails. Like, I was about to say, forget it. And just figure out something else to do to my hair. But I took a break after I got really, really frustrated and got back up and tried it again, and I've been plucking away at it ever since. So I'll give you guys the finished product once I am finished with it, unless I absolutely hate it, in which case I'll let y'all know that I hate it and I don't want y'all to see it. But still plucking away at it. I'm gonna keep going. Comment below your suggestions on how to do better knotless braids, or how to do better braids in general, because I do feel like this is beginner's braids for me, and I do want to get better at doing it, because I did say my goal for 2020 was to start doing my hair more. And you know, this pandemic happened, so there we go, checking these off my list. That was a goal of 2020. Now I have to do my own hair. So I'll come back to you guys with updates, finished product, all of that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Just want to give you guys an update. Here is my hair. I'm actually I have to put some of that setting foam in it and tie it down, but this is what it looks like, my knotless braids. I'm pleased with the outcome. Of course, I have critiques of like how I could do better, or like what I could do better, but as I got further up, like towards the front of my hair, I kind of got in a groove, and I was able to just knock them out. So I might try them smaller next time if I do them again, because honestly, the way that my patience is set up, it's a good chance this may never happen again unless somebody else is doing my hair. But next time, if I do them, I'll probably do them smaller. Like, the big is okay, but I like them smaller. To me, they look cuter when they're smaller. But this is my finished look. They're super duper lightweight. You can like maneuver them very, very easily, which I like. And yeah, these are my knotless braids that I did on myself. If you like this look, go ahead and thumbs up this video. If you have any suggestions on what I could do differently. Oh, I would also want them longer. These are like a little above my waist, but I have a really hard time adding in hair, so that's why I didn't make them longer. So if you have any suggestions on what I could do different or how I can get them longer, comment them below. But I'm pleased. We'll see how long these stay up, how long they stay neat. Right now they are pretty neat. I just want to go close up so y'all can see. They're pretty neat overall. The parts in the back aren't as neat as I would like them to be, but you know, it's hard to part your own hair in the back. But yeah, this is my knotless braid look. Thank you guys for checking out this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those alerts so that you can see when